Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial: how to add, remove a favorite channels on Amazon Fire Stick. To add a favorite channel, press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Settings. Scroll to Live TV, then press Select. Scroll to Manage Channels, then press Select. Scroll to desired live TV source, then press Select. Scroll to the desired channel, press Select. A heart icon will appear next to the selected channel. To remove a channel from favorites, scroll to the desired channel, press Select. The heart icon will disappear. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.